ready to turn neglected eyesores into profitable deals. Today, we're diving into Propstream to uncover the secrets of skip tracing vacant property owners, giving you the upper hand in finding off-market opportunities first. Log into your Propstream account. Next, use the location search bar to narrow down your search. Then apply relevant filters like vacant and ownership time to refine your property list. Once you've found a vacant property, click on it to view its details. Look for the owner section. Here's where Propstream shines. Propstream often provides phone numbers and email addresses. Directly use these to contact the owner directly. If direct contact info is missing, utilize Propstream's skip trace feature to find additional contact information associated with the owner. Review the returned contact information and prioritize the most recent or relevant details. Now, armed with their contact information, reach out with a personalized message, expressing your interest in their property. Remember, persistence and professionalism are key. Good luck and happy investing.